So the topic is prayer. First of all, the question arises, what is prayer? There is a thin line of difference between prayer and wish. We wish many things. We wish to become rich. We wish to have a big car, an iPhone 12. We wish to have costly and a product of leisures. But we don't pray for these things, because these things that we want from our mind, not from our heart. But prayer is something that we pray for, something that we want it with our mind and our heart as well. We know it's important for us. We really want this to happen from inside. We don't just wish to get this because so that we can show others for the purpose of show off. That is wish. Prayer is something else. Prayer has powers. A wish doesn't has powers. That much powers the prayer has. Now the question arises, whom do we pray and which situation do we pray in? We pray to God, mostly to God. Why to God? Because we think that we all are the sons and daughters of God, and we pray our to God so that we can attain that particular thing. Plus, our efforts and our hard work and dedication is still there in that particular work. Then only we pray. In wish, we don't work hard, we don't do anything towards achieving that goal, and we aimlessly think that we should get this, but it's not in prayer. See, we are doing something, but if luck is not with us, nothing can happen. Because if luck is working against us, no matter how hard we try, we will not be able to succeed. As according to quantum physics, it is proven. If luck is not with you, because luck can time travel the situations, means the situations can get what they are, they can change in 1 second. They can change, means your whole life can change in 1 second. The time travel will happen in the past and all things will change, means you won't be able to do that particular thing no matter how hard you try, because every attempt of yours will be disqualified by the nature and its luck, and because of time travel and quantum physics, it's a proven fact. So if luck is with you, then only you will be able to succeed no matter how hard you try. A proven fact according to quantum physics. But prayer has something, it has, if you pray, then luck is with you. Luck means God is with you. And if God is with someone, he can't get defeated. Plus his efforts and hard work and dedication is with him or her. So we should pray. Whatever we are doing, we should have a key factor or a luck factor, that is prayer. And also it is normal, means it is automatic that we pray. It's wish also that happens automatic by watching something, means we watch that guy or that girl has this particular thing that is very amazing and amazing looking and is very full of show off, means it's, we think that he is having that, so he must be very lucky and feeling very good, and because all the peoples are respecting him, that only we want that respect and we wish for that particular thing. But prayer is something else. We don't pray that we get that car that guy has. We don't pray that. So prayer is basically, it can also be on a daily basis, means you pray to God on a daily basis. Why do we pray to God on a daily basis? We pray that whatever we are doing, means we there is one particular thing that all the peoples, all the living organisms want in their life, means everybody wants that. It is that we don't get stuck in a problem. Everybody wants that, and then only the people who are praying daily, they are praying because of this purpose only. Please God, don't get us stuck in a problem. This is the sole reason that why most of the people pray daily. You might say no, but this is only the reason. Prayers. Prayers are very powerful. Because if you pray too much for one particular thing for a long period of time, law of attraction is also gonna work. First of all, prayer and law of attraction, there is a close connection between both. What I have learned from my life and lives of other people who are successful or who are not successful, I have seen this fact. If you try doing something, it is not happening. It's a very big thing, because if this will happen, your whole life can change, because you are trying to attempt this particular thing. You tried, you failed. You've tried many times, then again you try after a week, again you fail. You are trying again after a month, still you are unable to achieve that, but you are little bit close. You are getting closer after every attempt. And a time will come after 6 months, maybe a year, maybe 4 years, maybe 5 years. Still you are attempting now to achieve that particular task or that skill or anything it might be. Still you are unable to do that. And you think that again, if I do, then I will be able to do that. That has to be defined. What you want to achieve, it should be practical. It should not be theoretical. It should not be something that you have thought that if I use this way, then this will happen. You have to define it clearly. What you want to have, what you want to get happen. If you define it clearly, then only you will be able to achieve the results. Then only you will be able to achieve that particular thing that you wanted. And then only law of attraction will work. Then only your prayers will come true. Otherwise, you will only get depressed that I am attempting so much and I am not able to do that. It has to be something practical. What can you do when you are full of efforts? If you are doing something with all of your efforts and everything that you have, you've tried every way and you have done everything in order to make that thing happen, but it's still not getting happened. What can you do? All you can do is only pray. Pray to God, or pray to this universe. Pray to someone who has made you stuck in this situation. Pray to someone who has made the human beings and made these all the problems of not achieving what you want. At that time, all you can do is pray. Prayer, if you are doing this, if you are doing prayer, it means that you are not losing hope. It means that you are not ready to give up. No matter you are doing nothing in order to achieve that. You are doing only the small and very little and nearly negligible steps you are taking to accomplish what you want to accomplish. But you think that these are not enough. Some days are there when you are doing nothing in order to achieve the goals, the life goals that you wanted to achieve. In those days, what you will do? If you will do nothing, then you are surely giving up from inside. And it is from inside only, from where you have to stay alive in order to achieve what you want, the goal that you want. And it will only come out of prayers. So if you are doing nothing, then also keep praying. Don't lose hope. Prayer is your best weapon. You should never leave praying. No matter you have tried a lot for 4 years, maybe 5 years, maybe more than that, still that particular thing is not ready to happen. And in order to achieve that particular thing in your life, you have lost everything. What you were, what you had, you have lost that also, and now you have nothing. All you have is a list of failures, list of thousands of failures from 4 to 5 years, nothing else. It's like that you have also not, but you're still not given up. But the wanting of that particular thing from within you has decreased, because it is not ready to happen. 5 years have passed, 4 to 5 years, still it's not happening. So you have given up. But this time also you are not ready to leave it. The prayer is still within you. You still pray daily for that particular thing to happen. Because what else you can do? And believe me, a time will come when you will achieve it. Maybe it may take 1 or 2 more years. It may take 2 more days. It may happen after 2 days that you were whatever you were trying to achieve, like you were trying to achieve a way in a particular thing, and that particular thing in from nearly 4 to 5 years, still that is not happening. But if the prayers are alive inside you and they are still within you, believe me, it can happen in next 2 days. Something is gonna happen. You will again try a new way after 2 days and that will really work out. Or it may also happen, it will take 2 more years so that thing but finally happens. What you were striving for, what you were striving very hard. It took many cries, it took many failures, it took everything that you had. Everything. Means it also took your mental health. That's the main thing. It also took your health. But the thing is, prayers. Keep praying day and night. The prayers will keep that desire inside you alive, otherwise, you will be dead from inside. You should never lose praying because praying is also connected to law of attraction, and law of attraction takes time. Prayers also take time. They really take time. They don't take a little time, they take a lot of time. They take 1 to 2 years. But some prayers take more than 1 to 2 years. They take more than 5 years. They also take more than 10 years to happen. But it will surely happen. The possibility is this also that it may not happen. But this is the possibilities. So we can't neglect it. That this is the possibility that it won't happen. But in order to, so what can we do in this situation when we know that it's not gonna happen? We can simply do a thing. Whatever we are doing, we should be learning by that. And how, which kind of learning? The learning that is directly connected to some finances, that are directly connected to that particular field's work that generates revenue, so that you are learning that also. And what is your aim, what is your goal, that is also happening. The steps towards that are also being taken. So you should have a parallel, you should have an alignment of learning, because if you don't succeed throughout your life, you have given everything that you had. You are still learning and you have learned this much that you can generate a little bit of revenue with this, the thing that you have learned. No matter you have not achieved what you want. There are many people who try a lot but they still don't achieve. You're not special, but you are special among lakhs and crores of individuals who didn't try this thing. So there will be a special place for you when you are near God or you are with God among all the rest others, because you have given everything for that aim. And that aim was not mean or selfish. That aim was for every person in this suffering from that particular problem, that you are also suffering. You were suffering. And more people will suffer as the time progresses. Most people have not done anything about that, but you are doing something. Still you are doing that. Have that faith. Keep learning new things that may generate revenue. And one day, no matter if it doesn't happen, also you have learned a lot. Means according to that learning only you will find a work of your interest. And that is the only sole thing that you will definitely like. Every individual will definitely like. As every individual morning to night, what does he do? He does something that may or may not give him pleasures. So thank you for listening this. In last, I only want to say that keep praying. Also, if you are not able to achieve that, keep praying for that, because that will only give you the energy to work for that. And that work may be connected with something else, like generating revenue. That surely will help you when you are in a financial crisis. And a financial crisis will soon happen as you will graduate from your school, colleges, or bachelors or masters. They are surely gonna happen. So you have to keep learning something that connects with your goals. Thank you for listening. Bye.